Bonjour à tous. Welcome back to Smart Learning Foreign Language, your one-stop channel to learn and speak French with confidence and ease. Today's lesson is all about the French verb acheter, which means to buy, and how we use it in the present tense, or l'indicatif présent. This verb is very common in everyday conversations. Whether you're at a market, shopping mall, or online store, you'll need a Acheter to express what you want to buy. So, let's break it down in a simple and beginner-friendly way, with pronunciation and English meanings, so you can start using it in real life immediately. Let's see how to conjugate acheter, to buy, in the present tense, j'achète, il buy, tu achètes, you buy, informal, il ou elle achète, he or she buys. Nous achetons, we buy, vous achetez, you buy, formal or plural, il ou elle achète, they buy. Now, repeat after me with pronunciation. J'achète, j'achète. Tu achètes, tu achètes. Il achète, il achète. Nous achetons, nous achetons. Vous achetez, vous achetez. Ils achètent, ils achètent. Notice, by the way, that the accent changes. The E affect pronunciation. Okay, so here are some practical examples you can use in daily conversation. First, j'achète du pain, which means I am buying some bread. Next, tu achètes un livre? That's asking, are you buying a book? Then, il achète une voiture, he is buying a car. After that, nous achetons des vêtements, we are buying clothes. Vous achetez un cadeau? Are you buying a gift? And finally, elles achètent des pommes? They, feminine, are buying apples. Try to use these examples while practicing your French daily. That's all for today's lesson on the verb acheter in the present tense. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Smart Learning Foreign Language, for more such easy and interactive lessons. Also, check the description below for the best absolutely free French e-courses and ebooks. Eiffel Excellence, Learn French in 30 Days, a complete step-by-step beginner-friendly guide, How to Communicate in French, a complete self-guidance ebook on the French language, and Bonjour Basics, a specially designed solution-based guide for school students. All contact details are provided in the description. Merci beaucoup for watching. À bientôt. See you in the next lesson.